Hi guys, today's topic Bank Reconciliation Statement BRS. Today we are going to cover these are the topics, and lastly I have solved one problem. First, what is BRS? It is a statement company prepares on a particular date to match with bank balance in its cash book with balance in its passbook. That is, to match with our company's cash book bank balance and bank accounts bank balance. When it will prepare, the company can prepare on any date. And who will prepare? The companies, that is any organization or companies can prepare BRS. Why they prepare? To find errors in the recording transactions. What is the use? It helps to identify accounting errors, discrepancies and frauds. What are the causes? First, errors a bank or business may make. Second, time difference in recording and entry. Examples: checks issued by the bank but not yet presented for payment, checks paid but not collected, direct debits made by bank, amount directly deposited in the bank, interest collected by the bank. How it will prepare? It can prepare as a starting point as balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook. With any book we can prepare BRS. Let's discuss one example. This is the question we are going to solve. Before we start the answering, I have a small trick to solve the BRS problems very easily. That is, first condition, we have to make changes only in the starting book. That is, if you start with cash book, you can make changes only in the cash book. If you start with passbook, you can make changes only in the passbook. Next one is, after you make the changes, the both, that is in the cash book and passbook, both amounts should be equal after you make the changes. Okay, so let's solve the problem. I'm going to start with the balance as per cash book. I'm going to start with the cash book. So throughout the sum, I have to make changes only in the cash book. So first, balance as per cash book 15,000. Second question is, checks deposited but not yet credited 1,000. That means in our cash book we have entered plus 1,000 because it is deposited. So in our cash book we have added plus 1,000. So we are going to make changes only in the cash book. First condition. And second condition is, both should be equal. Say in our cash book we have plus 1,000, passbook 0. To make it equal, I am putting minus 1,000. So both should be equal. See, plus 1 minus 1 will cancel 0 0. So both sides is 0 0. So less checks deposited but not yet credited. Next, checks issued and entered in the cash book before 31st December 2017 but not presented for payment until that date. That means in our cash book we have already entered minus 1,500 because it is payment. So minus 1,500 we have entered. So to make it equal, I am putting plus 1,500. So the answer is add check issued and entered in the cash book before 31st December 2017 but not presented for payment until the date 1,500. Dividend directly received by bank. That means in our passbook we have entered plus 200 because it is received. That is, in the deposit column we have received 200. So plus 200. To make it both equal, I am entering plus 200 in the cash book because we have to make changes only in the cash book because we have started this solution with the cash book. So add dividend directly received by bank 200. Next, direct payment made by bank for rent 1,000. That is, in our passbook payment has been done. That means minus 1,000. To make it equal, I am putting minus 1,000 in cash book also. So less direct payment made by bank for rent 1,000. Locker rent charged by the bank not recorded in cash book 1,200. That means in our passbook locker rent charged, that means it is an expense. So minus 1,200. To make it equal, in our cash book minus 1,200. So answer is less locker rent charged by the bank not recorded in cash book is 1,200. Wrong debit given by the bank on 30th December 2017 500. See, in our passbook, debit means withdrawals and credit means deposits. So wrong debit. So in our withdrawal side, 500 has been deducted. So that means in our passbook, minus 500 is entered. To make it equal, I am entering cash book minus 500. So deduct less wrong debit given by the bank on 30th December 2017, 500. Last, a payment made through net banking has been entered twice in the cash book, 300. That is, see, payment is done through net banking. That means in our passbook you have already entered minus 300 because it is payment. And in our cash book we have, but it is twice. That is, already we have entered 2 times in a cash book, minus 300, minus 300. To make it equal both, see, in our cash book we have minus 600 total, in passbook minus 300. So we have to make changes only in the cash book because our starting book is cash book. To make it equal, I am putting plus 300. So see, now cash book minus 300 total answer and passbook minus 300. So the answer is, add a payment made through net banking has been entered twice in the cash book. This is the answer. We have solved balance as per cash book 15,000 and our answer balance as per bank statement, that is our passbook 13,300. That's all. This is SK signing off.